Canva just dropped some powerful new features. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best ones that you definitely need to know about, so you can start using them right away. Let's jump in. The first big update, and my favorite one, is the ability to create multi-format designs all in one place. As you can see here, I have a Facebook post, Instagram post, a document, and even a reel, all within a single project. This is such a time saver. If you want to add a new format, just click on this little arrow, select the format you want, for example, Pinterest, and Canva will add a new page in that size. You can also resize any design to a different format. Just click on the three dots on the page, select Resize Page, choose the format you want, and Canva will create a copy with the new size. Then you can tweak the design to make it look perfect. I've been waiting for this feature for a long time. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Next, Canva has added a brand new photo editor right on the homepage. When you open it, you'll see three new tools: Auto Select, Background Generator, and Perspective Correction. Let me show you how they work. First, upload an image. The editor opens up, and here are the options. Let's start with the background generator. Type a prompt describing the background you want, then click Generate. You'll get 4 options. Pick the one you like. To match the lighting, click here. Choose Balanced Relight or Maximum Relight, depending on how well you want the lighting to match your image. Once you're happy, download your new image from here. Next, go to the Crop section. Here you'll find the new Perspective tool. Sometimes your image looks a bit off, like the angle is wrong. With this tool, you can easily tilt or adjust the angle to fix it. Super helpful. Now go to Adjust. There's a powerful new option. Here you can select any part of the image and edit it. For example, click here, then select an element and change its brightness, temperature, sharpness, and more. You can also use the brush tool to select an area and then make changes. There are also options to edit just the foreground or background too. As you know before, we could only change colors in graphics. But now we can change photo colors too. For example, I selected this image and Canva detected 2 key colors. Now let's change one of them. See that? It updates the background element color. Let's try another one. And boom, a totally new vibe. This makes photo editing much faster and more creative. Next update is in the Elements library. If you search for something like stick figures and find a graphic you like, now click on the 3 dots and open Creator Profile. Here you can explore all graphics and photos by that creator. So if you like their style, you can find similar items easily. Canva has also launched Canva Sheets, a fresh way to work with data and content. You can even use AI to generate data. You can start with a template or click Actions to use AI. Then here, describe what you want. Below that, you will find some useful prompts. For example, I chose a prompt to create a workout plan table. You can customize it, then click Generate, and Canva builds the table for you. So cool. You can even add charts to visualize your data. This feature is huge. I might make a full video on this later. Next, let's talk about animated captions. Select your video, go to Apps, scroll down to find Captions, and click Generate Captions. Within seconds, captions are added to your video.
Here's how to edit your photos on the go with Magic Eraser. Forget covering up objects like this. Jump into
To change the animation style, click Animate, select the caption, and you'll see 2 new styles: Highlight and Snake. You can also change the color from here. One more addition in the video: if your video has multiple audio clips like voice plus music, just click Balance All, and Canva will adjust everything for a smooth mix. You can now add Superscript and Subscript to your text. If you don't know, these are smaller letters or numbers that sit above or below the main text, often used in math, chemistry, or footnotes. Let's add a text. Then click the new icon on the toolbar to apply it. Now select the part that you want to superscript or subscript, then apply it. You'll also see new typography tab. Here you will find kerning and ligatures. If you don't know, kerning, this adjusts the space between letters for a cleaner look. Ligatures, these are joined letters that look more stylized and smooth. Canva now has an AI voice generator too. Go to Apps, select Audio, and click Add AI Voice, and enter the text you want to convert to audio. Choose your preferred language or accent. Then pick a voice you like from the list.
Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward?
Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward?
Let's add some text. Choose this voice, for example, then click Generate, and Canva will add the voiceover directly to your design or video. Let's preview it.
Egypt is a country located in northeastern Africa, known for its rich history and cultural heritage.
So, that was the demo. You can test different voices to find the best one for your project. Now let's talk about some more new AI tools. On the home page, there's a new Canva AI feature. If you click on it, you'll see 4 new AI tools. Design for Me, AI Image Generator, Draft a Doc, Code for Me. Let's explore one by one. Start with Design for Me. This tool will generate designs for you. Here, select what you want to create. For example, I want to create a Facebook post, so I'll select Social Media. Then click on Format and select Facebook Post. Then here, describe what you want and click Generate. Canva will generate 4 designs for you. Don't like them? Click here to get new ones. You can customize and edit directly here, or open it in an editor. The second tool is the AI Image Generator, which lets you create unique images from text prompts. You can choose a specific style or size, then describe your image idea here. And Canva will produce 4 different AI-generated visuals. Plus, you can edit parts of the image by simply typing what you want to change. The third tool is Draft a Doc, which helps you write content like blog posts, articles, story, script, and more. Just choose a content type. Enter your prompt. Below that, you will find some prompts. Let's choose this one, for example. And Canva will draft the full content for you. You can tweak it like ChatGPT. The last tool is Code for Me, which allows you to create website, apps, games, code snippets, and more. For example, I asked it to make a photography portfolio site, and it started coding. Within minutes, it gave me a complete working template with placeholder content. Pretty impressive for a first draft. These tools are perfect for saving time and boosting creativity with just a few clicks. And finally, one of the most requested updates. You can now build multi-page websites in Canva. Let me show you how it works. First, let's add a couple of templates. Now I have 2 pages, and I want to link the first page to the second when someone clicks a button. So let's create a button. To link it, right-click, select Link, and choose the page you want to navigate to. Now, when you preview your site and click the button, it takes you straight to the linked page. This opens up so many new possibilities for creating portfolios, landing pages, and more. All right, that's it for today. I hope you found these new features as exciting as I did. Now, if you want to learn some amazing Canva tips and tricks, make sure to watch this video next. I'll see you there.